Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Drive backup using backup and sync easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Google Drive backup using backup and sync, start by downloading the backup and sync application from the Google Drive website. Locate the downloaded file on your computer and double-click it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. Once the installation is complete, open backup and sync. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again to log in. Now, you'll see the Sync Options screen. Choose which folders on your computer you want to back up to Google Drive. You can select specific folders or back up everything in the Documents, Desktop, and Pictures folders. After making your selections, click Next. Next, you will choose the settings for syncing files from Google Drive to your computer. Select whether you want to mirror files or only sync specific folders. Click Next after making your choice. Review the settings you've selected on the final summary screen. If everything looks good, click Start. Backup and Sync will now begin backing up your selected file. You can monitor the upload progress in the backup and sync icon in your system tray. Once the initial backup is complete, your selected files will be accessible from any device via Google Drive. In case you need to change backup settings in the future, you can access them by clicking the backup and sync icon and selecting Preferences. And that's it. Your Google Drive backup is now set up using backup and sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.